Welcome to Planet MicroCap. I'm your host, Robert Kraft, and joining me right now is Chad Summers. He's the president and CEO of Jewett-Cameron Trading Company. It's a publicly traded company. The symbol is JCTC on NASDAQ. And Jewett-Cameron will be presenting at our upcoming investor conference, Planet MicroCap Showcase Vegas, in partnership with MicroCap Club, taking place April 22 through 24, 2025 at the Paris Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. For more information to meet Chad in a one-on-one, see their presentation at the event, please register to attend at planetmicrocapshowcase.com. And with that, Chad, thank you for joining me today. How you doing?
Good. Thank you for the intro.
Absolutely. And listen, I'm just always thankful each time I get through it, you know? Uh, well, look, this is actually our first time doing an interview together covering Jewett-Cameron. So for folks that don't know the story, can you give us that quick overview and history of the company?
Really quickly, I'll start with Jewett-Cameron's vision is to enrich outdoor spaces, and our mission is really to improve the lives of professionals, do-it-yourselfers, and dog owners with quality, functional products that are easy to work with and perform well. So, having said that, really we provide high-quality fence, pet containment, and outdoor products sold through major retail. Home Depot, Lowe's, Costco, as well as distribution and online. So our innovative products are designed to solve problems and meet unmet needs. And many have IP protection and trademark brands, including Adjust-A-Gate, Lifetime Steel Post, Lucky Dog Kennels, and My Eco World.
Very good. All right. So, Chad, for what would you say makes Jewett-Cameron's products suite unique and different compared to some of your peers out there, and also maybe some of the alternatives to, some of these DIY folks who will just be like, all right, I'll just go and build the fence, versus,
Yeah.
getting one of the products.
Yeah, I think especially in the fence category, we've had such a long run of great success solving problems for pros and DIYers in the fence space. Our gate was one of a kind for many, many years of providing a steel frame adjustable gate that was never going to sag. So when you open and close your gate, it's never going to bind or jam. We introduced the Lifetime Steel Post only about 5 years ago, and it's one of our fastest growing. But again, it was designed to address one of the major fail points in most fences, which is the rotting out of a treated 4x4 fence post. And so those elements, I think, the availability of them, of course, through our distribution channels, but really trying to solve those problems in a unique way, really designed by pros for the pros, really sets us apart.
Very good. And what's your background? How'd you come into all this?
Yeah, I've had a very scenic background in my professional career, but I think it's
Scenic.
really, yeah,
That,
it's
that's a good word. I've never heard
yeah,
that.
it's not in line, but it definitely provides, I think, a lot of value for the uniqueness of this company, Jewett-Cameron. But at one point, I owned and operated an international lumber brokerage firm. Jewett-Cameron actually was founded over 70 years ago as a lumber brokerage firm, so I have that kind of in my DNA. We really grew through acquisition over the years, acquiring the Adjust-A-Gate, acquiring our Lucky Dog brand and patents and things like that. And so I was working at companies helping achieve Series A, Series B funding. So I had that as part of my background as well. And then, of course, just the importing. We design products and import from around the world. And I have a background in diversifying supply sourcing so that we're always multi-sourced. And I think all of that really attracted me to this role and has allowed me to have the impact I've had here in my time since joining Jewett-Cameron.
Absolutely. All right. Well, to close us out here today, from what you can tell us, what would you say then are some of the company's value catalysts for the rest of 2025 and or goals that you want folks to really pay attention to with regard to the company?
Yeah, I mean, I'll hit some of our major categories as the highlight. The fence category, we've sold millions of that Adjust-A-Gate through the major retail. The key there is we've been in these merchandisers or displayers, product displayers in the right stores, in the right aisle. So we provide these metal fence products, and to have them sold and displayed next to all the wood fence material has been key. We, as I mentioned before, launched our Lifetime Steel Post about 5 years ago. And last year, we got that into that wood aisle as well. And it is just taking off. And we also launched a brand new Adjust-A-Gate Unlimited gate kit. which is extremely low profile. So it provides all the benefits of a steel frame, no sag, but now you get to keep your focus on the wood fence and not the steel frame. So a lot of focus and growth on our fence products heading into the season, which is spring and summer months just ahead of us here. We also are launching a brand new chain link dog kennel to really address all the problems and challenges of many, many chain link kennels out there. Easier to assemble, much sturdier, very functional, a safe home for your dog. And then finally, just the My Eco World. It's our newest product and brand. Really, it's only got about 15 months in the market as My Eco World, and it's just now gaining a lot of traction, getting into a new channel for us, grocery channel, as well as building products. So I would say those three areas are worthy of attention for people to take note of.
Very good. All right. Well, with that, Chad, where can our audience go and find more information on Jewett-Cameron?
Jewett-Cameron.com is probably the best place. We have an investor page on there, so I would encourage you to look at that and find out more about us. I think the big focus for us is just staying very focused on who we are and where we're going. We have an incredible management team, and one probably a little outlier as well because it's a little bit unique. But we do have 11.6 acre property on the market as well, and I think that's an important thing for investors to be aware of. If people want to know more about who we are and what we have in our assets and what we're doing to focus on our growth, it'd be great to meet with people here at the conference.
Very good. All right. Well, Chad, with that, thank you so much for joining me today. Really do appreciate it. Good luck. Stay safe. And I will see you in Vegas.
Great. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you.